Friday, August 30th, 5:30 p.m. So I have finished putting mud and tape all along the top of the bulkhead where it meets the ceiling. All the way along there. Of course, this section isn't done. That's interior drywall. But around the bulkhead is done. As you can see up in there, follow along. All the way in this bathroom hallway is done. All the way to the end of the wall up there. But the interior drywall here wasn't mud and taped. I didn't plan on doing that. It's not my job. I think it's somebody else's drywall. And the lights are off, but let's go in the back. And I can show you the other section I did. Rogers guys came today. So I did around the bulkhead seam. It's still a little bit wet. You can kind of see it. All the way down. So there you go. It's all finito. I go home now and have a weekend.